to be doing a 2025 version of what's in my bag, what's in my purse. I love still watching these videos. I still watch them on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts. But I know a lot of people don't really post like old school YouTube content anymore that's like revamped into like new, right? And you guys still request these things of me, and I've shown this bag and I've got so many questions on this bag. Where did I get it? What is it? Let's share everything and what I carry on the daily in this bag particularly right now. Oh, the tea, baby, let's go. If you guys do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, it is free to do so. If you're coming back, if you haven't seen me for years, or if you just aren't subscribed, give me a subscribe. Hello, I'm still here. Okay, so for the longest time, I always carried around like huge bags, and I will probably go back to huge bags and stuff like that, but I've just been liking more like, is this considered a small bag or a medium bag? I don't know, just like a regular size bag. I love that it has a candle. Girl, bye. There's no candles, there's nothing flaming other than me and you watching. Hey. I can just grab it and go. And I also love this handle. I love the color. This is my favorite kind of pink. Let me remove these. We'll talk about those in a second. There is just this fuzzy handle here. There's a chain here. And then here it says BRATZ. I'm pretty sure I got it last Christmas when I was Christmas shopping. I bought for myself while Christmas shopping. But I got this actually surprisingly at Hot Topic. They have the cutest bags. They're so adorable. The theme ones. So this one is a branded BRATZ bag. It was definitely under $100. Don't quote me, but I think it was like $59, $60, but I really love it, and I do get like lots of questions and compliments on it whenever I go out, so I'm like, hey girl, hey. The Labubu obsession, if you're not about it, okay, I am. So this Labubu here, I unboxed with you guys on my TikTok. So this is a macaron Labubu, and the one that I got was sesame bean, and I feel like it goes so perfectly with this bag. I love it. And then I got this Squishmallow, I think his name's Noi, and surprisingly I got this at Dollarama. I got this. There was ice cream ones, there was cookie, I think, and I was like, I'm literally a clown. I think they look cute together. They don't really like each other. They always turn their backs to each other, or if I'm walking, you know, they they have a love-hate relationship. Let's see what they do now. Oh, switch it up, girl. Okay. This is what we see. Woo, Snoopy girls, are we? I have a big open compartment here and then a smaller one here. So let's start with the bigger component. Compartment. Girl, what's happening? I might be having a stroke today. So my keys, this is a set that's in my car. If you guys have seen my vlogs, I have like a steering wheel. I have like everything in my car is decked out. This just came with it. Here's my car key here. It's a keyless one. So like this is the key. I couldn't get behind that. Like literally blonde. I was like, how is this? Do I put it in? No, it just like is the key. It just knows. So this is a mind reader. This came from space or something. I don't know. My Cadillac, love it. Then I have this. I believe I got this for Christmas in a stocking stuffer. It's just like a little champagne bottle, pink and sparkly. Go check it out if you want to see. And then I have my gym membership right here. But yeah, that's all. I don't have house keys because we just got back from a trip and I had to give my house keys to the person that was house sitting for us and animal sitting. The next thing, I always have sunglasses in here. Sometimes I'll like shove 2 pairs in here. I switch all the time. Right now I have these fake Chanel ones. They're a little dirty and scratched. They're literally from DHgate. No shame in my game whatsoever. I will always be honest and tell you guys. They say Chanel. Yeah, they literally say Chanel. Is that legal? I mean, I'll buy it, but that's what they look like. They're actually really nice sunglasses. I really like them. They keep out the sun. They're cute. They were like, I don't know how much. They were like 30 bucks or something like that. Okay, next I have, this is one of my favorite things. I got this at Sephora. I just used my Beauty Insider points. You can charge it here. So it was basically free. And it's a mirror. It's such a nice mirror. It cleans so nicely as you can see, but you can also turn it on. So if I'm in like the movie theater, just kidding, imagine people throwing popcorn at me, but you can change it to different settings. So I love this mirror. Next is my wallet here. I love these little wallets like that just throw things in. This one in particular is a Juicy wallet. I'm pretty sure my brother got this for me, not this Christmas, but last Christmas, and I love it. I love these kinds of wallets. I've messed with the big wallets before, like the Snap. I don't like it. I just love to just like, my dad loves them too. It's just so quick and convenient. It takes like no space up. So I just have my driver's license. That's my driver's license photo. Does it look like me? It doesn't matter. I have my health card, my insurance, like my dental insurance, cards, and then $100. $100 make me holla. The other little wallet pouch thing I have is this. This is a real Louis Vuitton. This is probably the most expensive thing that I have in here. I don't know why I bought this. Literally, like I'm so dumb. Don't buy stupid shit when you have money. Like, don't do it. So basically what I keep in here is literally some change and my mailbox key. So pointless, but I was like, I have to use it because I spend money on it. Like, I'm using it. But this is like too small to hold anything else. If anyone has any suggestions, I was thinking of like doing like a beauty emergency kit in here, maybe. Yeah, pointless. Don't buy designer. Go on DHgate. Go get knockoffs. Go get stuff reduced. Honestly, like it's just so stupid. Like save your money, honestly. Okay, next is practical. I love the Touchland hydrating hand sanitizer. I don't know what kind this is. Power Mist, is that what it's called? I don't know. It smells good. Okay, gum. I always have gum. This is my main gum. If you know me in real life, you're probably, this is like all you smell on me is this. Like literally, I love this. 5 gum. Then I have this Crest breath spray. I got this one at Shoppers, but you can get them at Walmart. You can even get those little like dissolving sheets, but those like literally, I feel like I just like did smelling salts or something, but just like it's a must and it's tiny. You could just throw it in your purse. I have a lottery ticket because the lottery is at 70 million. So let's all woo! A ring light because, you know, my vlogging and stuff like that, it's fully charged right now. It clips on, so I can clip it onto my phone, onto my vlogging camera if it is dark. Do I always use it? No. Should I be using it more? Yes. I have a shrimp pen. This is like one of my prized possessions. I've had this for so long and it still works. I don't even remember where I got this, but it literally looks like a shrimp kebab. Like it even has this at the end, like a stick. And whenever people see this and don't know what it is, they're like, what the hell is that? And then if somebody's like, oh, I don't have a pen, I'm like, oh, here. And they're like, what's going on? Like, is this girl cracked? At the bank and stuff, sometimes like people steal the pens or whatever. So I have a pen, it's shrimp, and I don't care how I look because my favorite food is shrimp. Okay, so lippies. I don't have any lip chap because my fiance steals them all the time. So like they're just gone. Like I buy them all the time and he steals them. So they're just in his truck and car. I have one in my car that literally stays sealed. Like he doesn't even know where it is. So if I need lip chap, I use this, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it's lip oil. This is like honey lip oil. It is so nice. It's pricey for what it is, but it's so nice. I love this. It keeps my lips super moisturized and it looks like they're just like so glossy and honey-like. A Fenty Beauty gloss. This one is in Diamond Milk. It literally makes your lips look like glitter and shimmer. Then I have this essence. I saw this on TikTok. Somebody was trying to find like the most like glossiest gloss, and a lot of people were recommending this one. This one's the Crystal Clear #1 essence, and this is what I wear, and people are like, what gloss are you wearing? Then I have my Summer Fridays Vanilla Beige lip butter. This is amazing. It's so quick. It's nourishing. It's a little sticky, but it's the perfect color if I just want like just like a basic nude color or a top up. And then at the bottom here, oh my, what the hell is this? Oh my god, I forgot I had it. I had this. So this, we just got back from Calgary. We went out for supper with Austin's dad and his auntie. And his auntie ordered a drink and it came with this little giraffe thing. And I was like, I thought it was an Eiffel Tower when I first saw it, but I was like, I'm taking that. Like, it's so cute. It's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm literally a child. Like, I don't know, like, I have to like, don't ask. Don't change for anybody, you guys, okay? I'm in my 30s and I wanted this, so I took it. Makes me happy. There's a giraffe in my purse. Nice to meet ya. And then the last things at the bottom are just change. What the heck? Oh, there's just like black fuzz in there. I thought it was worms. I was like, cool. I got worms. Okay, so this is actually kind of exciting. Oh my god, see? I'm the gum queen. There's literally gum on my quarter. That's kind of disgusting. I'm Canadian change. We have a toonie like this. This one's like some special edition one. I've already Googled it to see if it was worth $1 million. Again, gum. And then we have a loonie with a loon on it. $1. Yeah, the Canadian money, the pink 50s, I love it, or the red, whatever. Cute. Now for my like more like beauty-esque is this little thing right here. So this, oh my god, when I saw this travel size deodorant, it is, Jesus, this is the smallest deodorant I've ever found in store. So I don't really like the deodorant necessarily that much. It's aluminum free deodorant, coconut and vanilla. Love the smell. It's not the greatest, but it is the smallest that you don't even notice it in the purse. It's so lightweight. It smells wonderful. Ugh, it just smells like suntan lotion or something like that. So I just got this at Shoppers in their like travel section. I like to smell good, and if I'm sweating, I don't want to be like, I'm sweating. I have this little hand cream. Again, I don't mess with like the big ones anymore. I just got this tiny little one somewhere. I don't know. I just get a different one every time. And then I have a perfume. I sometimes have, I don't even know where my other, I usually have another perfume. Maybe I lost it in Calgary. But right now I have this Lychee Rose by Nest. This perfume that my brother got me for Christmas in like a set or whatever, and it's gorgeous. Then I have my meds. This little med case, love her. We've got Tylenol in here if anyone needs a headache, my anxiety pills here in case I have anxiety, and Benadryl because your girl is allergic to something that I do not know, or multiple things that I do not know, because I've been waiting to see an allergy specialist since last year. So I need to have Benadryl on me at all times. Kind of annoying, but whatever. Then I have a couple more things. Tiger Balm, girl, bye. This is incredible. In Asia, this is really popular. People like bring it back. This I found in Canada, and I like scooped it up so quickly. I don't want to open it because it's quite strong, but it's a pain reliever ointment. You can Google it if you want to know more. If you have a headache, you literally rub it where the headache is. If it's on your temples, if it's on your forehead, and it won't go automatically away and like all the way away, but it will help. If somebody's like, ow, my muscles are hurting, I'm like, Tiger Balm, and I put a little bit on. They're like, what the hell is this magic? It's magic. A Tiger Balm, it's like you never know when you're gonna need it, so love her. I always have these little like toothpick things. I used to carry floss. Floss is so annoying. These are the best, and you can like get right in there. I hate having food stuck in my teeth. I think everyone does too. I always have a stick with me. This is not for me. This is for my fiance. He is a heartburn king. He usually likes Tums, but they didn't have Tums when I was topping up, so he's getting Rolaids the next time he's like, oh, I have heartburn. And then the very last thing is just my insurance that I have in here that is for my car. Their like folders are so ugly, so I literally I bought a pink folder for like 50 cents at the dollar store, and then I like literally hot glued my my insurance thing. You can take out the insurance papers, so it's like if I do get pulled over, like it's not like ruining it. This is like a free thing that they give you. You don't have to take them. It's not required. You just need your insurance. So I'm not like defacing property or anything like that. But I literally just hot glued inside of a folder, and then I cut around it, and then I put 2 Hello Kitty stickers on it because it's cute now. So when I get pulled over, I'm like, hee, oops. And it goes with like the vibe of my purse. And that is concluding what's in my purse. Okay guys, so that was everything that was in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspo. I love watching these videos. I'm a big snoop. So I love you guys. Be nice to each other. Be nice to yourself. Look in the mirror and tell yourself you're gorgeous because you are. I love you guys. Have a great day. Mwah, bye.